This is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I will show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then enter the passwords and accounts category and remove any Google accounts you might have signed in over here. Once there are no Google accounts left, get back to the main settings page, enter Google category, onward tap at the parental controls, get started, child routine, next. Now you will need to sign into your child's Google account, so let me quickly do that off the screen. So continue logging in into the account as you would normally do. Then once the account was successfully signed into, select it from the list over here, and following step is to input credentials for another Google account, this time for the one that you are going to use to supervise your child's activity. So let me quickly do that as well. Once the parental account gets checked, you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page, where you gotta input the child's Google account password one more time, then tap at the Agree button. At the dialog window that follows, hit the Allow button, or option, whatever, and wait for the child and parent accounts to get linked. Something went wrong in our case. That happens from time to time. It's kind of normal, so try retrying, and as you can see, the issue was fixed. Here you can turn on or turn off some of the apps. At the following step, you can manage filters and settings for your child's Google account. And now, if the device that is highlighted over here is the same phone or tablet you will use to supervise your child, you can tap at the Install Family Link button and the required app will be downloaded automatically, on your parental phone of course. If not, you can skip the step, finish the setup and manually download and install Family Link app from the Google Play Store on your parental phone, but in my case I can go with this automatic button. So the parental or the child end of things was finished. Now let's wait for the required app to be downloaded and installed on the parental phone. For some reason the installation does not start. So anyway, doesn't matter. That means that I'll just manually download the app. What can you do, I guess? Not a big deal at all. So launch the app. Make sure to sign in with the parental Google account over here. And once the app is successfully logged into, you have an access to a bunch of controls, so if you're interested, just play with them, play around, learn what they do. But as far as setting up this feature goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.